Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Leaf. In this video we'll check how safe is this car. According to statistics, the 2018 Leaf received 5-star from the NHTSA and is rated a top safety pick by IIHS. Safety features include automatic emergency brake, rear view camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, ProPILOT Assist with adaptive cruise control and lane centering. In crash tests, the Leaf performed well, though the headlights were rated only acceptable for city use. It's a very safe vehicle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.